In this video, we'll see how to print a work order so that it can be a paper copy to go along with the parts that are being manufactured. We will go to our sample machine part, and we see we have two work orders in for this, work order 138 and work order 144. For this example, I'm going to print work order 138. So we'll click on Orders. And here is work order 138. And I can click Print. We will see that it will open up the work order and allow me to select the Print button. And here is the work order that is being printed out. You can also get to the work order by the work order number. So work order 138. If I go to the home page, this search bar here, we can click the word search or the button search, leaving the search criteria empty. That will bring us to this form here. That allows me to search by work order. Then I can type in the work order. Search, and here is the part. Now I can click on that, and again click Orders, and print that work order. That's how to print work orders inside of Floorboard.